Welcome to Vibecast, your source for breathtaking destinations and inspiring landscapes. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the natural wonders of Alabama, a hidden gem in the American South where mountains meet the sea. Our first stop, Little River Canyon National Preserve. Known as the Grand Canyon of the East, it offers dramatic cliffs, rushing waterfalls, and hiking trails with jaw-dropping views. A must-see for photographers and adventurers alike. Next, we head to Cheaha State Park, home to the highest point in Alabama. From here, you can see endless rolling hills and vibrant fall foliage. Whether hiking, camping, or simply soaking in the view, it's nature at its most peaceful. On the southern edge of the state, Alabama's Gulf Shores and Orange Beach offer pristine waters, sugar-white sands, and unforgettable sunsets. It's the perfect spot to unwind after exploring the mountains and forests. Deep in the Bankhead National Forest lies the Sipsey Wilderness, called the Land of 1,000 Waterfalls. This untouched paradise is perfect for hikers, wildlife lovers, and anyone seeking solitude in nature. From rugged canyons to sandy beaches, Alabama's landscapes prove that beauty exists in every corner of America. Which of these places would you visit first? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more natural wonders, only on Vibecast.